Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chicken tikka roll. First, in a mixing bowl, drop 100 grams of curd. Curd makes the chicken tender and juicy. To this curd, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients well. After mixing, keep this bowl aside. Now take 500 grams of boneless chicken. Here I'm using chicken breast meat. Breast meat is easy to cut and you can have big size pieces. Cut the meat into big size pieces. Look, the chicken pieces should be like this, thin and big. If the pieces are thick, masala will not go inside layers. Now drop the chicken pieces into masala mixture which we prepared at first. Coat the masala to the chicken pieces. After coating well, cover with stretch film and refrigerate as minimum 4 hours. Use square hole grater to grate the carrot. If you don't find grater, cut into long, thin stripes. Here I'm using 500 grams of grated carrot. To this, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder, half teaspoon of tasting salt. Take 10 to 15 garlic cloves and chop them finely. Now add this chopped garlic to carrot. After garlic, take 2 medium-sized onion and cut into thin quarter pieces. After chopping onion, drop 50 ml of oil in a pan. When oil heats up, drop the onion pieces and fry them till they turn to golden brown color. When the onion turns golden brown, turn off the gas and pour hot oil over the carrot. Now mix well. While mixing, squeeze the carrot hardly with hands and mix. This makes carrot softer. Add handful of coriander leaves and mix. After mixing, keep the salad aside and take out the chicken. Heat up the pan. Drop 2 tablespoons of oil and place the chicken pieces and cook on medium flame. If you cook on high flame, chicken will not cook inside. Rotate the chicken pieces periodically and continue to cook till they are ready. When chicken turns to golden brown color, it's ready almost. Now take the chicken and cut into long, thin pieces. After cutting, take one Rumali Roti. You can find paper thin Rumali Roti recipe link in description below. Apply mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. Here I'm using icing bag. You can also use spoon to apply. Both mayonnaise and tomato ketchup recipe links I'm giving in the description. Now place some carrot salad. On the top of this, keep some chopped chicken tikka pieces. Now here you can add tomato or cucumber slices. Here I'm adding cucumber slices. That's it. Roll it and enjoy. Really, this roll is very yummy with salad and tikka combination. You should try this recipe.